Hey everyone, my name is Junaid, and today we are going to go over our day 16 of our 40-day challenge. First off, our net PNL went down slightly from yesterday. It's around like 0.220 R, not that much. Our win percentage is still healthy around 50%, and in terms of our equity curve, it's looking okay, not too bad. Yesterday we had a green day, but today we are just had like a small tiny loss. Let's go over our calendar real quick just to see our progress for the day. So now we are in June, so we had only one trade and very small loss. Let's go over our trade for the day. Just go to PLTR. Okay, so this was actually a trade where I took as a crossline breakout. It was a defined setup. We had a breakout, then we had a nice pullback here, and then confirmation. So my entry would have been here, but I was a little bit late because the platform itself was not responding. But I just saw these nice hammer candles forming. So like the stock would try to push higher, but then it would just sell down. So there was like lots of pressure to the downside, and the volume was actually relatively okay too. So then I entered here, and I was hoping to reach low of the day, and my stop loss was 157, around like just somewhere around this area, and the stock did sell down, and then it just came all the way back here, tested my entry. It was like my stop loss was just above the VWAP, but I just decided to exit early because of this bullish engulfing candle on 1 minute. Also, if I were to go to 5 minute, I can see that there was like my entry was here. There was like a bullish engulfing candle, but then we had a slight pullback, and then again there was like a pressure to the upside. So I decided to exit early because I was like, oh, this trade might not work in my favor. Also, level 2 was pretty bullish, so that's why I decided to take a small loss and exit instead of like full $100 of loss. But eventually the trade did work out in my favor, but by the time I actually decided to exit out of the trade, so I was not able to capitalize on any of the gains. But yeah, we had a nice $4 move, and it would have been a nice trade, but I'm still very glad that I decided to exited early, because one of the goals for this funded account is to be a better risk manager and not necessarily chase gains and not like respect our stop loss. But the thing I did learn from today was like having a clear plan and adding some rules in my system, where I should have some sort of criteria to decide when should I leave early. If my stop, if I have my full stop loss of 1R or $100, when am I allowed to exit early? Because in this case for me it was like all on discretion. Like level 2 was bullish, and this bullish engulfing back pattern. So yeah, this is something I feel like I will be challenged for the not challenge a goal for this month. So yeah, overall we are looking good. Let's go to our day 17.